Welcome. In this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain on some secret tech that, believe it or not, is already running your world. From the moment you wake up to the shows you binge at night, let's see how it all really works.
And just so you know, everything we're about to dive into is part of a bigger course. This is basically Chapter 2 of An Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, a whole guide made just for students to get a handle on the AI they're using every single day.
So when you hear artificial intelligence, what pops into your head? You probably picture futuristic robots, right? Or maybe some super smart computer locked away in a secret lab. And yeah, for a lot of us, that's the image. But what if I told you that's not even half the story?
The reality is actually way more personal. AI is already here, and it's working quietly in the background of your life, all the time. So we're going to follow a pretty typical day, and I'll show you exactly where this invisible AI is hiding in plain sight.
Okay, let's start right where your day begins, the morning. You know that simple little routine of rolling over, grabbing your phone? Well, that's pretty much your first run-in with AI for the day. And trust me, it's just the beginning.
Seriously, think about it for a second. When you ask Siri or Alexa, what's the weather like, that's AI understanding your voice. The second you open TikTok or Instagram, an AI has already lined up exactly what it thinks you want to see. Even those news alerts that pop up, they're personalized by an AI that's learned what kind of stuff you actually care about.
So how in the world does that work? Well, your social media feed isn't just random. It's been super carefully put together by an AI algorithm. This system is like a detective, always watching and learning from everything you do, every single like, every share, every video you watch for more than a few seconds, all to build a profile of you and predict exactly what will keep you scrolling.
All right, you're out the door, maybe on your way to school. The moment you pull up a map app to check the traffic, you've just tapped into one of the most powerful AIs you'll use all day.
It feels so simple on our end, right? You just punch in an address. But behind that screen, an AI is juggling a crazy amount of information. It's looking at live location data from millions of other drivers, spotting traffic jams the very second they start to form.
But here's where it gets really wild. The AI isn't just reacting to the traffic right now. It's predicting what the traffic is going to be like in 10, 20, even 30 minutes. It knows from past data that a certain road always clogs up at 8:15 a.m., so it'll route you around that mess before it even happens. It's like a traffic fortune teller.
Okay, let's jump ahead to later in the day, when it's finally time to chill out. This is when AI basically becomes the invisible director of your entertainment, shaping what you watch, what you listen to, and maybe even what you buy.
Whether it's Netflix teeing up your next binge watch or Spotify dropping that perfect Discover Weekly playlist, it's the exact same tech working its magic. These are called recommendation systems, and they're AIs that analyze your tastes, compare them to millions of other people, and make shockingly good guesses about what you're going to love next.
And this isn't just a neat little feature. It is serious business. The AI that recommends shows on Netflix is so good at keeping people hooked and subscribed that it saves the company an estimated $1 billion a year. That's how powerful this predictive AI is.
And it is absolutely everywhere. The AI in video games makes enemies that actually learn from how you play. That YouTube autoplay feature that keeps the videos coming, that's an AI. And when a shopping site suggests products you might also like, yep, that's an AI predicting what you'll buy.
So, we've seen AI from the second your alarm goes off to the minute you kick back and relax. Let's kind of tie this all together now and talk about why understanding this invisible hand is actually a really big deal.
So here's the key thing. You don't notice any of this AI because you're not supposed to. The whole goal is to make the technology so smooth, so seamless that it just feels like magic. Your social feed just happens to be interesting. Your map app is just helpful.
But as we've seen, these systems are doing way more than just making life convenient. They are actively shaping your experience of the world. They influence the news you see, the products you buy, the music you listen to, even the literal path you take to get somewhere. Just being aware of that is the first step to really thinking about the tech in your life.
So, I'll leave you with this question. The next time you open up TikTok or get a movie recommendation, you'll know there's an AI back there making a very specific prediction about you. Now that you can see that invisible hand at work, does it change how you see your digital world?